Идем.
Hey Airsoft fans! It's been a while since I posted a new video, busy times you know, but earlier this month my teammate Voivodota and I packed up our gear and headed to Burgas for an epic event organized by Airsoft Kings.
Okay, so his location is unknown. Red team will start in the basement in this side of the mall, and the blue team will start on the second floor on this side of the mall. Blue team will have to establish connection with the sheikh, and the red team will have to establish connection with the general.
As you've probably noticed, the battlefield was no ordinary place. It was an abandoned shopping mall. That's right, instead of carrying our wives' shopping bags, we geared up with our airsoft replicas and dove straight into action. We played as a part of Crimson Reapers, marked in red. Fun fact, there were only 4 Bulgarian players in our faction, which actually made it more exciting. The game featured a variety of objectives and missions, like collect resources, locate missing general and Arabian sheikh, and our main task establishing wire connection from our base to the top floor.
Listen, they are here, okay? The enemy team will be like on our diagonal. They are here, okay?
Yes, so here is safe.
Yeah, a little bit, but some of them might try to push forward.
Aici baricadați, ține minte.
Da, știu, dar vin pe aici. So, if you go with on this exit, okay, there's this stair here.
Okay.
So you go like this is the where we came from the basement. So there's a set of stairs here. You climb on those stairs, and you will get here. So you just fight here with the guys.
Because they will come from here.
Yeah, they come like this. I can guarantee you they'll be here first.
But here, the question is, will you contact if they know about this? Because if they have missions around our floor, they might rush for this.
Since most of our teammates were part of a well-oiled Romanian battle machine, we took on the role of a support squad, helping bring down player back to our medic.
I'm holding it, so...
Trebuie să ții tu de el, că e în direcția ta când tragi. Gata.
Ты еще такая грамотная, вероятно.
А, ты с города, ты с города.
Да, да. Давай, давай. Upstairs, go, 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 go. Flexiamo. Și trebuie de charge. Okay guys, let's move. Take positions. Enemies on the right. Yeah. În față, am văzut în față. Okay guys, I have a visual to the sheikh. I know, the sheikh is over there. Sheikh on the left. Guys, let's make some covering fire
and move in this direction. Чак, ниско долу, ниско долу.
Аз не се да бутна.
Ама не трябва да отидем на там.
Не забравяйте.
Да, без нас знам, трябва да хванеме на там позицията. Ами, да, ама... Видя го почти. Давай. One. Hit. Wait. Братче, чакай, аз ще се опитам да ти го докарам. Just stay there, man. Тоше, може да ме прикриваш, аз ще се опитам да го дръпна и да го изтегля на там. Okay, mate, stay low. I'm gonna carry you. Yeah, just a second, I saw one. Тоше, можеш ли да дойдеш на моята позиция? Добре. Тоше, можеш ли да дойдеш на моята позиция, аз ще се опитам да го изтегля. Тук има видимост.
Careful.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's move slowly.
No, it's good. Somebody is going to restore me. I'm a medic.
No, I'm gonna carry you. We have a medic. Come on, let's move on the... Okay. Ready? Let's go. Братчет.
Medic. Dacă mi-l scoți pe ăla împinge.
Oops, sorry.
E pe diagonala ta. L-ai văzut, da? E camera aia neagră. Ăla din dreapta e rost. De mine. Mai e unul de face care se trage. Am scos. Ai scos? Haide, pregătește cablu!
Diga-le-o. Guys, we need to push forward.
Trece spate! Trapușul de cablu. Am scos pe ăla. Mai e unul. Dar nu recunoaște unul.
Mate, let me just take my rubber. Pretty bad. Имаме стълби тук нагоре. Много странно играте, пичове. Да. Тоше, можеш ли да дойдеш насам? Само да не се спъваш кабел. Ела. Стълби нагоре. Могат да ни влязат в гръб. Ами няма лента. Точно ще го надолу. Да. Третия етаж. Покрив. Его. Спид софтуерите са заобиколили. Да, първо трябва да си го обезопасим и после можем да ги дерем. Да. Има само вентилация на там. Какво? Защо няма хикс? Нямаше хикс. Good job, good job.
Sunt acolo, scoși în stânga, scoși în stânga. N-ai voie să tragi acolo. Idite trag.
Damn. Hit! Thank you. Bine udara, pretvarjam po plinu. Simi se. Оп, второй этаж, много в сторону от нас. Второй этаж, много в сторону от нас. Гледай утверждението. Бобка, видимост. Ударен! Хит! Тъмното. The advantage to be
Yeah, I have, but I given him
so
already.
yeah, sure. Thank you. Hit. You are. Нека да бъдем коректни. Sorry, пичове.
After we successfully established connection between our base and the top floor, the voice from the radio gave us some new orders.
We are at the general. Yes. Yes, we need to find the scientist. Roger. Over and out.
And there was also a night phase with a cool stalker vibe. But as you know, action cams don't perform well in the dark, so I'll keep these clips only for myself. The event was incredibly well organized, complete with a lottery and some amazing giveaways. And guess what? Against all odds, because I'm super unlucky, I won a brand new sniper rifle replica.
19!
Come on! 19! Come on! Thank you! Чакай да извада номерчето. 19! The biggest thing I ever won, ever! Wow.